Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can restrict the accessibility of new members in your Figma teams to your projects to view only, so that your new members in your team are not or may not be given the permission to edit and to customize your projects and to work with them, but only to view them. So let us show you how to do it, guys. Head over to your team overview here in your Figma account. You will see the list of all teams here by clicking on that arrow down icon next to the current team, and simply select the given team to manage it. And after that, guys, whenever you invite a new team member to your team to work with you on your projects, click on that share button in the top right corner, and here you will be given the opportunity to set the accessibility for new members you invite via the invitational link here. So click into that arrow down icon next to the invitational link and switch from Can Edit to Can View, and after that simply copy the invitation link here to your clipboard and invite new members via that link. And yeah, that way new members who accept your invitation will be given the permission to view your projects only, but do not edit or customize them. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.